Hello everyone, and welcome to today's lesson. Today, we're going to explore a fundamental part of Greek grammar that is the definite article. Now, don't be intimidated by the term. In English, the definite article is simply the word the. It's a small word, but it plays a big role in our sentences. In Greek, the definite article is a bit more complex than in English. It's not just one word, but it varies depending on the gender, number, and case of the noun it's associated with. That might sound confusing, but don't worry, we'll break it down together. Let's start with gender. In Greek, all nouns have a gender. They can be masculine, feminine, or neuter. And guess what? The definite article changes to match the gender of the noun. The masculine form is pronounced O as in clock. The feminine form is pronounced E as in sea, and finally, the neuter form is pronounced to as in tolerance. Now, let's talk about number. In Greek, just like in English, nouns can be singular or plural. And again, the definite article changes to match. For the plural form, for masculine and feminine, we use E as in sea, and for the neuter form, we use ta as in task. You might be wondering why the plural definite articles for masculine and feminine nouns have two letters. As a general rule, when the letters omicron and iota come together, they produce an E sound in Greek. Now let's see how the definite articles sound when matched with some nouns.
Ο καφές. Οι καφέδες. Η καρέκλα. Οι καρέκλες. Το νερό. Τα νερά. Το τραπέζι. Τα τραπέζια.
Finally, we have the case. In Greek, the form of a noun can change depending on its role in the sentence. And you've guessed it, the definite article changes too. But don't panic, we'll learn about this in future lessons. Now, here's a quick challenge for you. Can you guess what is the correct article in plural for a neuter noun? Think about it. Don't worry if you can't remember this yet. With practice, the definite articles will become second nature. That wraps up our lesson today on the definite article in Greek. If you found value in this video, we would love your support. Please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to stay updated with our future language explorations. See you in the next video.